Binuksan ang ika-100th branch ng Wendy'S sa Friendship Highway, Angeles City nitong April 16.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Dumalo sa pagbubuka si Joey Garcia, ang President at CEO ng Wendy'S Corporation na isa ring Kapampangan.
It plays very significant milestone for our group, not only because this is our 100th store, also because this is my birthplace. Kapampangan ko po.
Ibinahagi nito ang pasasalamat sa patuloy na suporta ng customers at partners. Kilalang-kilala ang Wendy'S sa kanilang fresh, never frozen beef patties na may signature square shape na sinasabing patunay na hindi sila nagtitipid sa kalidad. Siniserve ito ng mainit at sinasamahan ng freshly cut vegetables.
We want to make sure that Wendy's is truly the Philippines' favorite go-to, I wouldn't say fast food restaurant, quality fast food restaurant. And Joey and his team are so committed to that. We don't cut corners, and we listen and we take it very seriously when we talk to our team and our customers. We hear your feedback and we take action.
Ang bagong branch ay inaasahang magdadagdag sa patuloy na expansion ng brand sa bansa habang dinadala ang kanilang signature taste sa mas maraming Filipino consumers.
I can guarantee that Wendy's is the only QSR that serves real chicken, real French fries, and real nuggets. Ang French fries po namin, skin on. Kasama po yung balat. Our tenders, it's breast of chicken. No? Tapos yung aming beef patty, no extenders. No? 100% real and pure beef.
Present din sa opening ang brand ambassador ng Wendy'S na si PBB Collab 2.0 Kapuso Big Winner na si Caprice Cayetano.
I'm so happy and honored po to be part of this celebration. Let's all enjoy the food and today's celebration, everyone. Welcome to Wendy's!
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.